Hey guys, Amit here, and we have the OneMore's omthing AirFree. Now these are some budget earphones. These are true wireless earphones at a price of 2500 rupees, and the MRP though is on a higher side, which is 5000 rupees, but these are the latest model, and we have already made a video on the other variant which you can take a look here. But then in this video I'll be taking a look at their budget variant, and this is the one. If I talk about the features, as you can see clearly here, this comes with the 4 ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation microphones for crystal clear phone calls. It also comes with auto pairing, and apart from that it comes with a 7mm of dynamic driver, which shouldn't be giving you great bass but then should be decent enough, and it comes with a snug and secure fit, multiple pairing modes and extended play time. Now if I talk about the product, it weighs just 4 grams and it comes with Bluetooth 5.2 with the charging case, the cradle having a battery capacity of 550 mAh. So let's quickly open up the box and take a look at what all we get within this package. This is a direct option to open up the package, and here we go. This is the product here. So the moment we pull this out, this is how the cradle looks like. Let me just place it here and take a look at the other package contents. And in the box we have this Type-C cable, which is a standard cable, I guess. Let us just take a look if it's actually Type-C or a micro USB. And yes, that's a Type-C cable within the box. Now apart from that, we have some extra earplugs. Now let me just first show you these charging box itself, and do make a note that the one which comes with the other product supports wireless charging. This one does not, and of course you can charge it with Type-C cable. So this one isn't also having a very premium finish, but what really matters are the earphones. On the bottom we have some details, and on the back we have the charging port. So let's quickly open this up, and these are probably the most smallest wireless earphones which I have probably experienced. Once you remove these, you can take a look at the cradle itself. There's a left and right indicator, and that's about it. This do have a decent quality, but then they are obviously made out of plastic, and they don't really have some kind of stylish approach. But then if you look at these earphones, they do look stylish, and the bottom cut design does make it look like a little cheap earphone. But then of course the size really matters, and these are probably one of the smallest ones which I have experienced. So here we go. You can notice the right and the left, and these also have the silicone heads, which means that you will have a better comfort, and I'll be using them for a while, and then we'll be sharing my personal experience with these earphones.
A few moments later.
So after trying these out, I could say that these are actually sounding better. Of course, in terms of bass, the other model does definitely offer you better bass because of the 13.3mm dynamic drivers. But then overall, these are better value for money products, and of course they are actually very small sized ones. So it all depends on what is probably your preference. Do you want to have something which is better, having a better bass, or do you want to have something which is having an overall decent audio experience? But at the same time, this does not have it active noise cancellation. This has environmental noise cancellation, so that's one thing you should make a note of. But for me personally, what really matters is the overall experience, and these do not come with the silicone heads which we get here, and that offers you with a great experience in terms of using it, and that's something available on these. So overall, it all boils down to what is your specific requirement, and you can probably buy one of these. The links are in the description area below. This was a complete unboxing of the omthing's true wireless earphones. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.